Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech AI, and in today's tutorial video I'll be showing you guys how to download Google Bard AI on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, let's open our Google Bard's website, bard.google.com. So this is your website's URL. So once I click it, here you can see this AI's interface. So you cannot directly download it. So what we can do is just click on the triple dots on the right top corner. Here just scroll down, and here you can see save and share. So on the left side here you can see create shortcut. So let's click it. So this is our shortcut. Let's click open this window as well. So once we create it, as you can see, it is already in our downloads. So yes, so this way you can download your Google Bard AI on your PC. So I hope you guys liked today's tutorial video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.